a little bit wet, so let's do this a few times more. What did the GPS said? It said 0 to 100 in 3.7
faster than Mercedes own,
and 0 to 200 in 12.1
with 2 person. Let's save this measurement.
Sunny outside. Let's do one more. I forgot to have cans in the back. More. To 212.1 according to Mercedes, but what does the GPS say? Okay, let's see here. It said 3.5 and 11.7 with 2 persons in it. Det är fan grymt.
Det är grymt.
Det är fan snabbt. Wow, I'm impressed. Let's play a little bit. Oh, cones here. Let's not ruin them. You think it can be driftable if you turn around? Wow! It feels like a two-wheel drive, but with extra control.
Yeah,
you don't spin around. Race start! Go! Huh, 0 to 300 coming up. So what did it say? 11.95. I think that's the best so far, but I think GPS is even faster. I mean, how could the car underestimate the acceleration? That's crazy. Let's see here. 11.7. That's the best so far. 3.5. Oh, det är fan sjukt. Helt sjukt. Fan, jag måste se, jag ska kolla instruktion.